Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Crazepony S23 charger. Let's open it. So we have the charger and a user manual. So as the specification says, it's a 6-port 1S lithium battery charging board. It handles both lithium high voltage and LiPo. Its input is XT60 226S, so that's 7 to 30 volts. It also accepts micro USB as input, and it has two types of output ports, JSTPH 2.0 and GNB27. The cutoff voltage is 4.35 volts for lithium high voltage and 4.2 volts for LiPo. And the maximum charging speed is 0.6 amperes. So here it is. So it has the XT60 port here and the micro USB port here. It would have been better if this is USB-C, since USB-C is becoming more popular. And then we have 6 ports here for charging, 6 GNB27s and 6 JSTPH. And in this section, it says USB BAT. These are 2 ports where you can charge from if you're using micro USB. You can select the battery type using this switch. So lithium high voltage and LiPo. You have these vents here at the top section for ventilation. At the back, you have more vents and a sticker with the specifications. So you power it using XT60. And it's charging. The red light indicates that it's charging, and when it turns green, it's done charging. Let's try it with a micro USB. So it's charging, and if we move it, it doesn't charge. So you can only charge using these 2 ports when you're using micro USB. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the Crazepony S23 charger. It's simple, but it works. The only thing that I maybe miss is a voltage readout, but then you usually just charge to 4.2 volts or 4.35 volts anyway. So maybe it's not that important, and you can always use a voltage checker. Thank you for watching.